Hi, I'm Peter Nixon, and I'm recording from my studio here in Hong Kong to tell you about the latest of my books and publications. Uh, these accompany my workshops and my speaking events. So if you're interested, just send me a message in the link below. But first of all, you can now purchase on Amazon Trust Gap and Negotiation, the latest book talking about why people don't talk anymore and how we can overcome the silence to solve the problems we're facing in the world. Why governments impose silence, companies impose silence, or we voluntarily remain silent. Basically, we don't trust that it'll make a difference, or we don't trust if we say something, we won't get in trouble. That's a problem. You can't dialogue if you can't talk, and you can't negotiate if you can't dialogue. The other really cool publication, the Leadership Passport to Positive Change. And I say for your leadership journey, you need your real passport and your leadership passport. And what's involved with this? Very cool. Uh, it solves probably 50 of the big questions you're going to face in your leadership career. But let's take one, for example. A lot of people ask me, how do you create your strategy for a difficult dialogue or negotiation? And for years, all over the world, I've been getting my participants to answer six specific questions. So here they are, right here in your passport. So get a hold of the passport. You've got the questions. Of course, as you get into the details, it gets more complicated as they're starting to realize in the Middle East. But that's for later. What I wanted to let you know is the new book, new passport, and new workshop. For any of you interested online, you can sign up at the link below. I'll do a little introduction session each week leading up to the workshop, but I hope to see you if you're interested, or if you want to come back to the material, you've experienced some of my stuff before. Get a hold of the new stuff. It'll be well worth it. If you actually sign up for the workshop, you get a copy of the passport. This is the workbook, if you wish, for the workshop, but some really good, valuable stuff to hang on to, and people are loving the format of this new passport. The book, very interesting. I'll post on that as well. But in the meantime, follow the link below, and I look forward to seeing you online soon.